Science never ends. Welcome to the series of videos about Nobel Prize winners, a group of interesting and inspiring scientists. In 1833, an ordinary child was born in Stockholm, Sweden. Children always like firecrackers since they explode with colorful sparks, but this kid showed more interest in the louder firecrackers, which are called explosives. Even though the explosives almost killed him several times when he grew up, nothing can extinguish the love for explosives in the heart of the kid. The explosions of explosives were in company with not only his childhood but also his whole life. Looking back on his life, it is a legendary experience. He was born poor, but ended up owning more than 100 companies and factories. He studied for only 1 year at school, but finally became a famous scientist and engineer. He dedicated his life to dynamite, but regretted it a lot on its use in the war late in life. He was called scientific madman and also the merchant of death. However, what makes him known for centuries are either not his discoveries on science or not the great assets, but the fund constituted in his will, which will inspire humankind to advance in the way of science. He is Alfred Bernhard Nobel, who established the Nobel Prize. There is no other prize in the intellectual realm with the prestige of the Nobel Prizes. Huge bonuses and the reputation of Nobel appealed to widespread attention from the public for the Nobel Prize at first, but what truly makes it most prestigious are the brilliant and immortal names granted with this crown. They are Albert Einstein, Marie Skłodowska Curie, Erwin Schrödinger, Werner Karl Heisenberg, and so on. Today, the Nobel Prize is a celebration of excellence, and the discoveries displayed are the highest achievements of scientists. But rather than a science fair, it is the great power to inspire people, no matter your color, country, nationality, and nation, to keep moving and exploring, that exactly makes the prize shine forever in history. Nobel wrote in his will, "It is my express wish that when awarding the prizes, no consideration be given to nationality, but that the prize be awarded to the worthiest person, whether or not they are Scandinavian." Luckily, the Nobel Prize stands his will. As science never ends, the eternal glory never fades away. First of all, we need to know the rules of the Nobel Prize. From September to January 31st of the next year, the Nobel Prize Committee sends nomination forms to prominent scholars all over the world. Usually, 1,000 to 2,000 candidates are recommended every year. From February 1st every year, the Nobel Prize jury will nominate about 300 potential laureates from them and prepare a report reflecting the advice of experts in the relevant fields. Then, the 4 institutions meet to choose the laureate or laureates in each field by a majority vote. In mid-October, the list of Nobel laureates is published. Every year, December 10th is the anniversary of Nobel's death, and awards are given. We have discussed a lot about the Nobel Prize, and in the next video, we will introduce a Nobel laureate. She is the first Nobel Prize winner in Chinese mainland. Her inventions save millions of lives from malaria. She is the inheritor of traditional Chinese medical science, and also the pioneer of modern medicine. Do you know who is it?